I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to talk about how to install wing extension kits onto a Boss Snow Raider. Wing extension kits are going to offer about 1 foot extra coverage when you're plowing snow. Before we begin today, let's make sure you have the proper tools and parts to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. For proper wing alignment, it's easiest to do when the plow is raised slightly off of the ground. Utilize wood blocks or a jack stand. Align the wing rib to the outside tube of the plow and clamp in place using either vice grips or C-clamps. Using the wing extension as a guide, drill corresponding 7/16" holes through the outer tube of the plow frame. Attach the wing extension to the plow frame using 3/8" carriage bolts, rib plates, and 3/8" nylock nuts. Tighten bolts using a 9/16" socket. Torque to 23 foot-pounds. Install the blade guides onto the wing extension using 5/16" bolts and nuts. Torque bolts to 14 foot-pounds. Repeat this process on the other side.
We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the Snow Raider at bossplow.com.